Are we back? Are we back, chat? We are back. Part 2. Because I lost internet like a big dummy head. That's good. Let's click this. Okay, cool. So let's go back to what we were doing here. So yeah, we got lots of errors in that console. We're gonna dump this into here. Cascade of network errors. Major issue, error was not resolved. Internet disconnected. Oh yeah. Okay, that's fine. Alright, so I think we just need to, let's just clear this out. And we'll just, try to run this again. Address. Ticketer. Ooh. Your friend is trying to call blah 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 from production, which doesn't exist in that environment, hence the photo for hard-coded local. And see, that's why I hate using local. We test in production. Come on now. I don't want to use local. We test in production. You know that. Oh, warning. What's that? What's a warning? Warning. Open studio. What do I get a warning for? Oh, stream bitrate is too low. Stream's current bitrate is blah 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 lower than recommended, so turn it up, yo. Alright, so 6800 kilowatts. Alright, so we're gonna have to change this. This is studio. We don't care about studio. Oh, we do care about studio. Where's OBS? Here's OBS. Settings. Stream. Output. Video bitrate. Here we go. Maybe that'll crank it up some. I don't know if that'll even work or not, but YOLO. Alright, so got it. Test and production. Yeah, that's it. We're trying to fetch from blah blah blah. Okay. So how do I change that? Fix. Friend and replaced by any blah 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 blah. Alright, your front end, replace any blah 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 with your production API. Yeah, I agree. So, don't do this. Yeah, no cheese. Where is the fetch? Is that function at? Is that a function, chat? I think it's a function. So let's do this. Go back to Bolt. Close this. Close this. But we need our backend URL there, so we want to go back here. Here's my backend URL. And we're going to replace this. I should get this a little bit more information here. Blah, 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 blah. We test in production. I paid extra to say that, for the record. Yes. Do that. Oh, you guys can't. Oh, yeah, you can't see it. I was about to say, you guys can't see that, but you can. Man, what is this? Is it Bill and Ted? No. No, we're under excellent. No more stream errors. Good, good, good. I don't know what that bulb is. Probably get a not as bright one. Perfect, hard-coded backend. So let's dump this in here. I'm gonna fix this because I don't like this. I want it to just find my stuff. Just find my stuff. Why am I telling you what it is? Front end, blah blah blah, but your backend is broken and complete. The server received the request to you, blah blah blah. Check your backend file, likely blah 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 blah. Should have something like this. Alright, so we need to go to index.js. Go here, get rid of this. Do we have an index.js? I'm not familiar with this backend here yet, so let's look. It's probably app, I bet. No one here. Yeah, app.ts, that's what it is. So we're gonna find this, go back here, search here, dump that there, it's right here. Index.js, okay. So, let's make this easier. Copy this. Ooh, that's getting big. And then we're gonna dump this in here. See what this says. Thanks, backend blah 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 is correctly. Overall solid. Right. Cool. So your 404 is not because missing code, so what's a real issue? Front end is sending a GET request instead of a post. Alright. Let's copy this. Where does go? Baby again, be right back. We're back, chat. Say we're using React. Likely upload file. The fetch API should go in your front end app. Triggered geocoding, use spreadsheet uploaded, blah 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 blah. Likely to put in your file upload. Okay, which one is it? So let's go back here, back to code. Get rid of this because we're gonna look at the files. File upload. Okay. So let's copy this. Go back to the brain, dump this in. Let's see what it says here now. Thanks. Here's what triggered blah blah blah. Should call this blah blah blah. So I'm gonna say rewrite entire file because I don't know what goes where to where to where. Let's actually read it first. Here's how to integrate blah blah blah. Use the blah blah blah. Should create a maps blah blah blah. Your current file uploaded is parsing the file. Fetch blah blah blah. Parent saving. What about this? Oh. I'm gonna remove this so I don't want to hear that garbage. I don't want to hear that garbage. Alright, so in your parent map process, it should flow like this, blah blah blah. So I'm gonna keep sharing with the brain here so it knows what we're working with here. More information I give it. It's valid, GUIs rendering, blah 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 blah. Fully integrated. Actually, let's just dump it all in, just so it's all in there, you know? Let's just dump it all in. Well written. See? That's well written. Would you like me to write a full map builder TS that stitches the files together to a single workflow? Why not? Do it. Do it. This is now gonna make me a map builder file here, so I'm gonna go here. Wrong. I gotta go. Nope. 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 I gotta go here and open this up and build it in here. What am I listening to? Probably gonna go under components, I bet, but I'm gonna have to ask it because I'm an idiot. If I'm using route like builder or upload, just drop it in. Just drop it in. Alright, so I'm gonna say, where does go and where do I add that second code to? Because again, I'm an idiot. I don't know what it's talking about, what it's doing. I don't like that I can see that there's 0 viewers. I know there's no viewers. So many tabs open, it's stupid. Okay, so I was right, map builder under components, which is exactly what I said. So I want to add a file here, create a new file. We're gonna name it map builder, and go back here. We need to copy this whole map builder file, dump it in, commit these changes. That's what I committed, is that. Go back to the brain here, add to your app. Where do I add that to? That is okay, what I thought. Option A, builder page, add to existing home page. What the what? What do I got? What is that saying? Pages? Yeah. Oh, I'm so tired. Not components, not type. Does it go here? I don't know. Let's find out. Thanks. Rewrite fixed file. Ooh. 188. So I'm gonna go. This went from 252 lines to 182 lines. Why? All right. Hold resend. So I was just pulling from GitHub, that's why I screwed up now, so now I gotta repaste this in there and save it. Now it'll push it to the GitHub, which means I have to freaking run the back end. But it's on here, so I can at least test this. So I want to clear these comments. Let's see, production package already back, go to the front end, file change, blah blah blah. So I go production URL here. So that's from the configured with your properly connect. Alright, so I dump this in. Dump this into here. Address. Process address. Another error. Be right back, chat. So we got another error, so we're gonna copy it. We're gonna go back to the brain here. We're gonna dump this error in. Post blah 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 fetch. The error means your front end correctly tried to call blah blah blah, but your back end doesn't actually have that route defined. Fix your back end. Must add this route. So the index server or GS? Which one is it? Which one is it? So let's get rid of this. So we got index.js. So I'm gonna go back here. Actually, I'm gonna copy this, dump this in here, and I'm going to say I am going to give you the file. Wait until I tell you so we can figure out where it needs to go. Got it. Okay. Okay. So here's index. So there's index. There's app. I need a server.js. Backend. Assets. Nope. Source components. Type. Is that going to be there? Just those two. So I'm going to print screen this, go back here. And any others. So this says go check your logs, go to the backend service, running port, whatever. Set the health. Alright, so I need to go back to here. Logs. So something about health too. I don't know what that is. Events. It actually depends. I don't know what that means. I'm just gonna copy the logs, put that in, show it that. What's the health? Should talk about health. Oh, health check. What do I do with the health? Health C? blah 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 blah. Great question. So let's go here. Shows fails front end page like computer deployment front end. Backend index.js. Backend. I don't have that. Let's see this. And then we're going to print screen this, and we're going to give this to the brain. Ship that off and see what he comes back with. I do it here. Backend. No, I lied. I'm going to delete that. What about this backend folder? I just showed you what is in that folder. So I gotta do another backend. Ugh. So let's go to settings. This is gonna be GeoMapper. Front end. Let's see. So I guess that's kind of where I'm getting confused. It's like, so is that my front end on render? It seems like I have a bunch of front ends and back ends. Oh yeah, follow up mate. I gotta finish that one too. That's a cool little project. Alright, so anyways, there you go. I'm gonna add a new, it's a web service, right? Web service. Choose my same GitHub. directory to backend encoder. Start command. Now we're just gonna run it. Where does this go? Oops. Just up. Where does this go? That. Rewrite this file. So we edit this, we change this, we go dash back and save it. Go back here. Okay, go back up to the W dot here. Come on. Back end URL. Is that there? So I should rewrite that app. So now this was saying I need the environments. Custom domains, health, maintenance mode. Cool, but where do I put the things in the stuff app? Here. Environment variable. I need a couple of those. Here's your updated. Back in URL change. This is my new app file. So I go back here, paste that in, save it. Cool. Then we go here. What env do I need for the back end? So basically, what type of API keys and stuff do I have to put in there? Alright, so this is what it wants. I'm going to change port to 1. Google API key. Put that in there. 1 second. Kiddos. Okay. Now it's on Subabase URL. Subabase. Oops. I can go here. And my service role key. Okay. So now I need to go here. I want to open this up on the Subabase. I should probably rename this project, honestly, to match everything else so I don't get it screwed up. GeoMapper. Save. Alright, so now I gotta go, here, general, what do I need to get here? Project overview, project URL, okay, do I need the, service role key? But where do I get that? Where do I get the service role key at? URL, cool. That API, cool. General. Project URL. That's it. My non-public key, which I should probably put in there anyways. But how do I get the service role key? Where's that at? Where is that at? My guys. Where's that at, chat? Alright. Go back to chat. I'll just call this chat. Where is my role key? Projects API. Ducks. It's not here. Open the project. Project settings API. Project settings, API. Liar. Liar. Ha. Reveal. Copy. Okay. Never expose this front end key to anybody. Don't look at that chat. Alright, so that's done. How do I connect front end to back end now? Didn't we fix this already? Tell me yes. Good job. Alright, so I just need to, we don't need that anymore. I think we're just gonna run it now. Oh, it's already trying to deploy. Okay, good. That's good. This is this. So we tell this guy to deploy to. So we'll redeploy front end and back end. I'm just gonna manually deploy it, just so I can see what's going on with it. Alright, so now we're redeploying these two. And then this might maybe work. GeoMapper. Just for giggles. Sure, this is taken. Oh, $8,000. Pfft, done. Dang, even that's expensive. Dang, a lot of these are taken though. It's kind of crazy. GG. GG. Where are we at? Oh, come on now. Come on now. Race keys required. I already put it in. What are you talking about? What you talking about, Willis? Front end's live. That's good. Means your back end is missing. Blah blah blah. That's not true. Super bass, super roll key. Oh, she ain't missing it. It's there and it failed. I didn't change anything. Index.js. So let's find my index. Is it TS? I don't think that's the right one. Index.js. So we're gonna dump this in here. It's gonna be like, oh, this file looks for Sherry. Clean it mostly solid, use the root, blah blah blah. Be right fixed file. So does front end need the anon key? I'm kind of puzzled on that. Yes, front end does need an anon key. Second anon key. Is it added into the fixed file you just made? Is it added? It better be. Front end. Make sure variables will not include both. Front end includes service URL and a non-key, blah blah blah. Good. Okay. Alright, well, I put that in there, I saved it. So that should push. So I need to redeploy this. And we'll see what happens this time. Alright. shit, I'm tired. This thing's running slow. Got another hour and a half left. In the bed. Why is this going so slow? I've been done with an activity. I've been active on this. Come on now. Come on, meow. This isn't gonna let me, oh, actually I'm paying for the upgraded one now, so I could probably use a custom domain. This is a hobby. Oof. Oh yeah, we're not using nothing out of this. Alright, I lied. Why is that so much? Jeez, oh beats. That's crazy. I'm not even using that anymore. Dang, ouch. I might have to upgrade. Yeah, I don't really care about all this stuff. Oh, so I get unlimited custom domains with this one. Yeah. I'll have to upgrade. Ugh. Weekend is live, nice. Yeah, so actually, I just want to see this. This is pending. So June. So I wonder if I already paid that. I don't know. Whatever. I don't know why that's failing. Kind of want to go into my Zoho CRM here. Just don't know how to get there. How do I get there? How do I get there and see if there's actually something like there? Too many buttons. So I did like a huge push of leads. Yeah, 100 leads. All leads just created. I created them all and emailed them. I just ain't never heard nothing back. Yeah, I don't know. I just don't know. What happened to music? Yes, I know I have all those leads. But I don't know if it like emailed them or not. I don't know, I'm jumping all over the place. So I go back here. Your front end EMB is this lib. Back end don't need lib. Superbase has this. Trying to copy this and dump this in here. I should be like yes or no. That's great, complete front end. Okay. Cool. How do I check health? Ooh. Try submitting. Alright. Here we go again, chat. quick thing too. It's if you where'd my music go here? I just want something cool. Yeah. Just play something. By taking the console logs, that helps a lot. And you just dump it into that, because that tells the AI more specific, more details as to what's wrong with the course issue. So hidden blah 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 is hard-coded backend URL. So now this is fixing this file here down. Okay, now it's fixing the backend index.js file. This is the one that ChatGPT made. Because there was no backend file here. So now it's just working that into it. Hard-coded variable calling back to for local development. Okay, so we got all that done, so we dump this back in here, change this back to address, run it, processing, a couple of errors, dump this back into here, let's keep debugging. Two separate official errors here, printed is calling blah blah blah. Your actual backend is code blah blah blah. HTTPS geomapper. Okay. Looks like this. So in my app.ts file. I can just do this myself because this isn't that bad here. I'll get rid of the console. Find my app file here. And here we want to search for this. Just back it up a little bit. Comes back in. So I'm just going to copy this, so it's all to rewrite and fix this. So that's going to go through and rewrite and fix that. That's fine. That was for that. Yeah, skipped like way up. Okay. Backend indexer. Alright, so there's my app. So I'm gonna copy that. Paste that into here. I gotta go back to my back end with index.html. Rewrite and fix this. So I was gonna rewrite this one and I'll paste that in. Oh man. This makes me nervous. Copy, dump this in, paste. Let's just see what this says about it too. Just kind of double dip on it, see what it both says. Front end, so we're going to go GeoMapper, front end, environment, gotta edit this, gotta add a new one, dump this in, copy this, I'm just going to save it in there. Ugh, why does it keep doing that? That's getting about annoying. fish to fry now, the whole back end isn't even coming up. This is set to choose your code when it defines. Alright, let's open this up. Alright, so that's good, healthy. Alright, I want to do that. Alright, let's see what's going on over here. Make sure all the changes are done. Processing. Dang, all kinds of errors. Problems. What files do you need to fix these? Alright, let's see what this happens here. Things you do, blah 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 blah, front end route, blah blah blah, still need backend server TS. So I need server.ts or index.ts. Next.js, next.ts. this and see what else it says. Perfect. Okay, do it. What to do now? Update back in cores line. Hate when it tries to run this crap through Bolt. Ooh, it's frustrating. Got it. That's right, realistic. Give it that. Right there. Geo backend. Server.js. I think I have a server.js file. I don't think I have a server.js file. I think I have one of those. You're right. Yeah, I already gave it to you. Fix this. I just gave this to you. Backend. I got to edit, add front end URL. save it for now. URL, so I'm in the front end, not my front end URL there. So I wonder if I need to put my back end under the environments. What else? No, screw it. Just run it. We do it in production. You know what I mean? Address, proceed addresses. Backend dashboard, backend service, under environments, start and build. Actually, backend starts with this. Backend settings. Build command. That's front end, sorry. Build command. Save. Stop. Isn't done. Okay, now go. Alright, let's let this rerun. So the front end and the back end all tied with Bolt is my development. Git is my holder of it all. And render is my deployment of the front and the back end. And my Supabase is my database. Yeah. That's my understanding of it. Service is live. Looks good. Index.js, alright. Let's refresh. Run it again. Address. Process. Dang, already. Let's tell them I'm finding this geocode. backend is running. Does not exist being registered correctly. Check your start. Node.js. Maybe. Yeah, I just tried it too early. No, it's 2 minutes ago. It said I deployed it. So it should be good. Let's just try it one more time. Alright, nothing. I'm just gonna clear it. Address. Actually, I lied. I'm gonna restart it. Because it just made me nervous. It's like I'm not even getting that far. So dump that in. So I upload that address because that's what I want. Process address. Bam! Immediately hits me with that. Are you gonna give me? So the same error message. Your friend is working with the backend at blah blah blah. Server's up, but the route handler isn't registered. Almost means wrong file index or something. Not actually entered. Or your subdirectory didn't tell render. Current that backend file includes index. Make sure it contains this at post. Alright, so let's go back here, go here, close this, index, search for this. So let's just copy this whole thing. This here. I'm gonna go, this is my back end settings. So you can see both of those. Just putting that in here. And just give it all the data. Oh. Yeah. No, that's right. It's in your terminal. Sorry to notice, never needs crash immediately. Try this in your boat terminal. Let's see what that says. Perfect, I found the issue. Cannot find Module Express. Your backend is missing all of its dependencies. Run this inside your backend folder. What does that mean? I don't have a decoder. Here we go. Preview down. Run this in. Blah, blah, blah. How do I do that? Tell me how to do it, because I'm a goober. Render shell, yeah. I have to pay for render then. Download or run locally. Ugh, come on. This is killing me, man. I don't want to keep buying these things. It's stupid. $7, $7, $7. OneDrive isn't signed in. Good. I hate OneDrive. Download your project from Bolt. Unzip it. Open a terminal. In the backend folder. Run this. It just sucks. Project. Export. Download. Project. We're gonna right click. Can we open with Visual Studio Code? Yes, I trust. Close this. Oh, you know what? Because I'm a goober and it's still zipped, so I have to extract it. Project. So now I'm going to right click, open with. Visual Studio Code. I just want to close out this, close out this, close out this. Close out of this, collapse all folders, yep, collapse, good, good, file, close workspace, don't save, good. So, project, I just dump this whole project in here, yes, yes I trust, don't care about this. So now what do I do here, goober? Okay, here. Now what? Perfect. As it goes, visible. Here's what to do next step by step. Control plus. Control. Terminal. So let's make this a little bit smaller so we can see what we're seeing here. So we gotta change directory. Back end geocoder. Then npm install npm failed. Oh, of course, nothing's easy. Alright, open, download the TLS version. Like, come on, what is this? This is just craziness, man. Why is it always something? It's always something. What was that? What was that? Oh, that's not necessary tools. Chocolatey. Yeah, whatever, just install it. Just get it done. Come on now. I don't care about that. Take me back to this. Node. Visual Studio Code. Node version. Good. The npm version. Man, I swear. Nothing's ever easy. Nothing's ever easy. ends easy. CD. Now I'm just gonna get the full path. PM install 2 L's and PM start. Come on, man. See what that means. If that actually worked or not, I don't know. I'm kind of confused by it. Nice progress, almost there. We're still missing. Certification with the following environments are not set. Back end. Oh, excuse me. Alright, so let's go here. So inside of here I need a new file called env. env for environment. I'll paste all this in here. Back end. So I'm just gonna do this really quick. Copy these in here. Copy base service key and the URL. Okay. So now we can not show that because I'm a big dummy head. And it's on the internet unless forever. Let's see. It's whatever. Okay, so I did that in terminal. Studio Code, come on, just run. patience with this. It's just like problem after problem after problem after problem. That's how it always goes. It's almost there, it's almost there. I gotta run this through PowerShell again. Windows PowerShell. Copy this. Run this. CD, directory, copy this, paste this, copy all this, go back to my PowerShell, paste this, please work this time, yes, yes, progress, finally. Gosh, finally. I don't know what that means, but I think it's good. Cool. What's happening? I was just Googling it. I'm so confused. I'm a goober. Use your terminal. Wait, what the what? Windows PowerShell. So do I need to like I want to run this locally. Why is it running it locally? waste of time. Yes. Build command. So index.js. I know what says that, so that's good. Okay. So this is building. So it seems like it deployed it. Seems like it's deployed it, so it seems like it's running good. Da-da-da-da-da. Okay. Copy this log. this file. Do it. You're very close. Tell me I'm close again. I swear. Do it. I dare you. What mood are we feeling? Uplifting? Let's play uplifting. Like I'm running in a circle. Saying to the wrong back into it. Why? Why is there a disconnect here? Changes to addresses, process. Is this a new error? Yes, new error. Okay. Index.js. Files. Index.js. Rewrite it again. Here's a cleaned up version. Do it. Do it. If that matters. Rewrite file with correction. Why am I telling you what to do here? I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna put this in here. It's already in there. Okay, good. Clear. Do this. Address. Presses. Oh. We're getting somewhere. Oh, we got 3 fails though. We're getting somewhere, chat. Oh, we're getting somewhere, chat. 5 fails. Come on, why are you failing? Why are you failing? Let's try this in here. You know what? We're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Address. Oh, I mean, fails. Alright. I like it. We're getting somewhere. Give me this without the, what is that called? What is that called? Degrees? I will call it degrees. I should know what I'm talking about. Kapooey. What is this? Oh, phone number. Oh, it's a phone number. Ticketer, I'm stupid. Okay. Squeaker baby. That's a phone number. Okay, I'm stupid. Okay, I'm stupid. I'm gonna give you two files. First is original. Second is export. I need reference. First original. What's the difference here? Okay. So let's go into chat here. Why did 6 fail? Let's see what it says. Okay. Alright, so next I think I'm gonna have it next I'm gonna have it do more than 50 at a time. didn't even see if I could click on them. Click on the markers. I gotta see if it does that. It's 11:30. I should go to bed. I'm so tired. Let's test another one. Where are we at here? Downloads. Rock data. Addresses. Clear this. Go back. Clear this. Go back home. Rock data. Address. Dang, it's still getting fails. 5 fails. 6 fails again. Let's chat with it some more. I uploaded 50, but only 44 locations found by errors, and I want to see which ones failed and why. I want to see which ones failed and why. It's important. Sounds like you're an issue for some of your addresses not being successfully identified. Alright. Should I use after uploading to verify address? Thinking. Using address depending on your specific needs. I don't really want to do that. back end, front end, creating a locations table, modify, just do it. Alright, where do we change those? Again. Uh-oh. I don't like that. Okay, that's better. Let's add that. Okay. No error messages here. Let's go here. No error messages here. Do this. Address. Run. One failed. Alright. I'm gonna do one more thing and then I'm gonna call it a night. I just want this to be able to do more than 50. Cool. Alright, can we do more than 50? So I'm gonna have it do 500 limit and just keep an eye on it. I'm tired. I really wanted to change the things. Let's just make sure this runs. It's about to be a new day anyways, so it's whatever. But I could do a open AI. What about doing a capture the ones only on the failed addresses? That would probably be a good way to go. This way it doesn't cost as much. Be cost effective. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Did we see it? Oh, one person saw it. One person saw it and they didn't even come in. Bummer. Alright, chat. It's been fun. It's been real. I'm going to bed. Let's do it again tomorrow. We tested in production.